This video will show you how to remove hyperlinks for free using PDFgear's free tools. PDFgear offers a free and powerful PDF link editor for Windows. Search for PDFgear in your browser. Download and install PDFgear from the official website, then launch the app on your Windows computer. Click on the Open File button to open the PDF file with links. Go to the Edit toolbox and click on Link. Then if you intend to delete or replace some of the links, click on Link greater than Create Edit Link. Right-click on the link, and you can replace the link with a different destination. You can also delete the link by right-clicking it. Go to the Edit toolbox and click on Link. Then select Delete All Links in the drop-down. This will make all links in the PDF non-interactive. It's as simple as that. When you're done editing, click the Save As button in the upper left corner to save the modified PDF. PDFgear also lets you quickly remove hyperlinks offline on Mac for free. Mac users can download PDFgear from the App Store. Launch the PDFgear app and open the PDF file. There are two ways to delete links. Go to the Edit toolbox and click Link. First, right-click the link, and a pop-up window will appear. Choose Remove Annotation. Alternatively, click the link and press the Delete key on your keyboard. You can click the link to replace it with a different destination. Let's take a look at the revised version together. And you can click on the link to replace some of the links. Now, let's review the modified link together. When you're done, click the File button in the upper left corner and select Save As to save the modified PDF. PDFgear Online PDF Editor is arguably the most convenient way to remove hyperlinks. Search for PDFgear in your browser, click on the Edit feature, and tap Select PDF File to open the PDF with hyperlinks. Click the Print File button in the upper right corner. This feature will remove any interactive content in the PDF, including all hyperlinks. In the pop-up Printer Settings window, click on the Destination option and select Save As PDF. Then click Save at the bottom to print the PDF, and choose a preferred destination on your device. PDFgear is an all-in-one PDF editor and converter. Download PDFgear and give it a try. See you in the next video.